Just a minute.
Boşlandı, kirdeymi? Ha, ulanıyorum da. Good afternoon, Mr. Wenning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So just a minute. Let me. Is Bahram joined?
Yeah, he's joining. I just called him.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. It is also live on the YouTube, and I also call to Deepak Karandesh.
Okay.
Right. So we will wait for a minute. Let him join. MCCI President also joined the session. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. We'll start the session within a 1 minute. Bakrom is just joining, CEO of the Ivory.
Smartphone connected.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
So I will introduce him. He's Sean. He's a procurement manager of Ivory Road.
Okay.
So he's looking after all the sourcing activity. He's sourcing from South Korea, some parts in Dubai. And Sean, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, yeah. First of all, I want to thank you for organizing this meeting. We are really thankful for that. So nowadays we're looking suppliers, wholesalers from India.
Okay.
to our business. Like Mr. Vinek said, we buy goods from Dubai, from South Korea, from Russia, from Kazakhstan. And we noticed when we've been in Dubai, we noticed like most parts came from India. That's why we want to just work directly with India. So we already, organized our trip next week. We're going to be in India, in Pune, around this time.
So you're most welcome, and it would be a great idea for you to connect with industry in Pune, and I'm sure you will find a lot of suppliers here that would interest you.
Yeah, we hope so. We hope so. We already found a person like Vinek. So we have like great hope. We're gonna find right person to us.
Good.
Actually,
Yeah. And also, person is sitting with us, Mr. Deepakji Karandikar. He is a MCCI president. It is a Maharashtra's largest industry network.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Which was set up in 1934.
Wow.
1934. So
Wow.
with the big person, he will help you throughout Maharashtra, whatever we required, so that we have invited. So it is also our honor. We have got he has accepted within a short notice. He has accepted our invitations. So I think Bahru, have you joined?
Yeah, he's
Yes,
here.
hello, Mr. Vinek.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, I cannot switch on my camera because your permission is needed.
Okay, no problem. So we will start the sessions. So first of all, welcome to all.
Kameram yoqolmayapman, organizator ruxsat bermayapti deyapti. Tushuntirib ber, tushunmadi shekilli men.
Okay, yeah, Bahram says he doesn't have like permission to turn off the camera by the organizer.
No problem, no problem. So welcome all, and thank you very much for all the participants and Deepakji Karandikar, president of MCCI. Within a short period of notice, you have accepted and now you have joined the sessions. So what is the objective of these sessions? I will explain first. Last Saturday, we met Bahram at 7 p.m. at Coffee House and also visited his showroom. During our 1 hour of discussion, we decided he also liked our approach as a India. And currently he said that we are sourcing from various countries and we want to make India as a sourcing hub for our more than some, he has not disclosed the amount is very big of sourcing. So he wants to start the sourcing from the India because he is facing some problems from other countries due to Russia and Ukraine war. So this was the objective. Last Saturday we have discussed and we decided how to go about that. They are also planning to visit Delhi, I think next week, and Pune. But I said rather than directly visiting to India, first we will have some online presentation. Give your online presentation, and we will keep it open to all. And after that, we will select someone who are directly related to your spare part manufacturing. And this way, second meeting will be physically in Pune by next week for the respective spare parts manufacturer with respective spare part manufacturer. So this was our discussion. So I will introduce Bahru. He is having more than 12 years of experience in automotive after sales issues. He began his career in the beginning of 2010 with General Motors Uzbekistan as a procurement manager in spare part department. From 2014 to 2017, he worked with Uzdongo, official supplier of General Motors Uzbekistan with exhaust system and pipes. From 2018 to 21, he worked with MAN Trucks Bus in Central Asia and was responsible for all networking issues. From 2021 to 22, he worked with LLC Pit Stock Motor as a head department of working with legal entity and corporate clients. From 2022 till now, he is a CEO of this Averitot company. So this is his brief introductions. Also, currently we are with Sean. He's a procurement manager. He's looking after all the procurement activity. And also our chief guest, Mr. Deepakji Karandikar. He's a managing director of Praditi Press Parts Private Limited. Also, He is a president of Maratha Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture. It is a Maharashtra largest industry network which was set up in 1934. So welcome to all. And I request you to Deepakji Karandikar, President of MCCI, please inaugurate these sessions. Then we'll go for the company presentation and we'll understand his requirement and how can we help to them to source from India. So Deepakji Karandikar.
So welcome to all the participants. I believe there are in excess of 30 participants that are online at the moment, and I'm sure a few more will join as we go along. Welcome to the entire team, and I see this as a great opportunity for the small industry in and around Pune. We are in excess of 10,000 companies that operate out of Pune, small, medium, and large businesses. MCCI, which is the Chamber of Commerce here, has in excess of 500 members, but I believe that my chamber almost gives services for about 6,000 companies who come to the chamber for one reason or another and get benefited out of their association with the chamber. Coming back to this initiative, I think this is part of global sourcing, which is also a MCCI initiative. And globally, people are now looking at India, and this could be a very exciting way ahead where people can engage with buyers from overseas and create channels for excellent trade that benefits practically everyone in the loop. Having said this, I would offer to each one of you any service that would be required by the chamber. If you are a member, you will certainly get this service from the chamber, but if you're not, we would still entertain you and request you to become members. Having said this, I am sure the overseas buyers will find what they require here in Pune. And if they don't, we have a large directory, we have a large sourcing unit, which will help you to home in to one of the best manufacturers and suppliers of parts that you would require. Having said this, I'm sure you know that Pune is the home to German companies that number hovers around 320 to 350 German companies that are operating out of Pune. Least anyone could make a small guess of the confidence that has been reposed by the German companies on the Pune manufacturing enterprises and the setups that we have, the infrastructure that we have, the skill sets that we have. Pune for the overseas buyers is home to 7 universities, 600,000 students who learn academic out of Pune, and this is a big resource for human development, for industrial enhancement, for industrial progress. We have the best IT companies operating out of Pune, and it is a city where a lot of cultural heritage also is found. Having said this, I'm sure the buyers from overseas will find this an exciting destination, and we welcome all of them, and I hope their trip to Pune is successful. Welcome.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your time and inaugurating these sessions. It is really, we need your help because they are planning to visit to Pune by next week. So we also need your supports. You are having a largest network. So I go over to Baharu. You can start your presentation. I am making you co-host, so you are allowed to share the. Yes. You can also unmute yourself. Just a minute.
Yeah. Thank you very much again. I'm very sorry. I have a little bit problem with English. That's why if something is difficult for me, sorry again. I will talk in Uzbek in my own language, and my colleague Sean will help me to translate to English. I think it's no, there's no problem, I hope.
No problem.
So a little bit information. Now I will try to demonstrate my screen. So let me check.
Yeah, you are having, go to the share screen option.
So Shoyat ekran ko'rinyaptimi, ko'rinmayaptimi? Share qildim.
Ha, ko'rinyapti. Ko'rinyapti. So you all can see the screen of the CEO, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so briefly regarding our company, which is our company is an authoritative group, which is included more than 14 directions. So one of them is passenger cars after sales and service cases. So for nowadays in Uzbekistan, we have most of local share of market that we reached, and we supplied spare parts, and we have service issues. After sales and warranty cases is also included into our activity. So we have for nowadays this is our I'm sorry, I will switch to Uzbek language. Shoyat.
Yeah, no problem.
Qisqacha avtoritet gruppa kompaniya. Gruppa kompaniya o'zini ichiga 14tadan ortiq yo'nalishni qabul qiladi.
So Authoritative Group is like a huge company. It consists of 14 directions.
Bu nimalarning ichida avtomobillarga xizmat ko'rsatish, logistika, yengil mashina, og'ir mashinalarda xizmat ko'rsatish, umuman avtomobilga aloqador hamma xizmat bu nimamiz ichiga kiritilgan.
Like basically we do service for all kind of vehicles. Like it's passenger vehicles, it's gonna be like the heavy duty vehicles, all service included in our company.
Avtomobil sotishdan tortib avtomobillarga shu servis xizmatini ko'rsatish, boshqa hammasi bu nimaga kiritilgan, bu veb sahifamizdan ham tanishish mumkin ko'proq ma'lumotni. Bizda hozir asosiy yo'nalishimiz avtoservis bo'lgani uchun hozirgi kunda shu nimalarimizda servis filial, avtoservis xizmat ko'rsatadigan filiallarimizda avtomobilda ehtiyot qismlarga ehtiyojimiz bor hozir. Mana shu misol uchun mana shu servis rem zonalarimiz bo'lsa, har bitta filialimizda kuniga 500 ta atrofida avtomobilga xizmat ko'rsatamiz.
Usually we do service in a day like about 500 vehicles. We have certain directions like selling cars, servicing vehicles, repairing them. We have high demand on service direction. So like we said, we do service for 500 vehicles, and we are short on auto parts. You know, sometimes we are having problems delivering, like getting them in time. That's why we look into India market.
So bizda asosiy kerak bo'ladigan narsa hozir qisqacha shu 1-2 daqiqa firmamiz haqida ma'lumot bu.
Okay, this is short presentation, like it's a clue about our company.
Avtomobillarga bitta markazning ichida kompleks hamma uslubi mana shu rasmda turgan markazning ichida bunaqa markazdan bir nechta avtomobilga doir hamma narsa shu markazning ichida joylashgan.
We have one place related like any service of the car, like even like small things like repairing them. Everything is you can do at one place. Everything is centered.
Bu networking bo'yicha, ya'ni Toshkent shahrida va O'zbekistonda xaritasida joylashuv joylari va kelajakdagi joylashtiriladigan bo'lajak qurilayotgan yoki rejalashtirilayotgan filiallarimiz haqida ma'lumot.
So there are locations shown. There will be open like after locations at that places.
Bu yerda qisqacha ma'lumot. Hozirgi kunda bitta anaqamizda o'sha shahar bo'lib, eng katta bozor Toshkent shahri bo'lgani uchun poytaxtdagi 7-8 ta magazin, 7 ta servis, 6 ta avtomobil yuvish shoxobchasi, bitta mexanический sex va kuzuv ta'mirlash ishlari. Umumiysi shu hozirgi. Mana shu rasmda ko'rsatib turilgan ma'lumotlar hozirgi holatda Toshkent shahrining ichidagi biz foydalanayotgan yo'nalishlar.
So the Tashkent is capital city. So we focused on in Tashkent. So we have like 7 repair shops, 7 like wash centers and everything shown in Tashkent region.
O'rtacha bu mana shu hozirgi holatida bir kunda avtomobillarda kirib chiqib nechta xodim ishlaydi, qancha chek, shunaqa bu qisqacha ma'lumot.
Yeah, that's short, brief, average information.
Yes. Endi asosiy masalaga o'tamiz. Bizda hozirgi kunda bizni qiziqtirayotgan yo'nalishlar bor. Endi nima deydi? Asosiy qismga o'taman hozir. Bu qisqacha tanishtirish edi bungacha bo'lgan jarayon.
Okay, there was introduction and we came to the main part. We gonna explain you our interest to the market of India.
Ma'lumot sifatida aytib o'tmoqchiman. O'zbekistonda hozirda 3 ta model ommalashgan. Eng katta avtoparkka ega bo'lgani bu Chevrolet modellari. Undan keyin Kia modellari va Hyundai modellari. Ya'ni bu 3 ta model, 3 ta ishlab chiqaruvchining mahsuloti O'zbekistonda hozir ommalashgan va hozirgi kunda mana shu 2023-yilda imенно mana shu rasmda ko'rsatib o'tilgan avtomobillar bizda sotilyapti. Shu avtomobillarda ehtiyot qismlariga, zapchastlariga bizda ehtiyoj bor.
Okay, just for the information, there are 3 huge models popular in Uzbekistan. That's GM, Kia, and Hyundai. So we have a huge demand on those models like auto parts. Ekraning usulmay qo'ydi.
Hozir. Bilmadim.
Davom etaveramiz.
Ko'rsatdim?
Ha, endi
ko'rsatyaptim.
Ha, bo'ldi, endi ko'rinyapti.
Bizda
hozir GM'lar, to'g'rimi?
Mana shu rasmda turgan 3 ta nima? Hyundai modellari. Kia shu rasmda turgan, ya'ni misol uchun Kia'ni misolida aytsak, Sportage, K5, Sorento, Stinger, Carnival, K8, Cerato va New Seltos. Shu mashinalarning ichidan qaysi biri Hindiston bozorida, ya'ni shu rasmda keltirilgan mashinalarga beriladigan OEM, genuine part, original, OEM yoki analog zapchastlar bo'ladigan bo'lsa, kimda taklif bo'lsa, o'sha taklifni ko'rib chiqib, dalshi gaplashishga biz o'zimiz tarafdan tayyormiz. Mana shu imенно shu rasmda keltirilgan modelning rядdan qaysi mashina bularda bo'ladigan bo'lsa.
So these models we need parts for. You can see them on the picture. Even they name it different in India. If anybody here in participants have like ex-producer or ex-wholesalers of these models after parts, we're ready to negotiate further and discuss prices.
Yes. asosan misol uchun Hyundai misolida aytadigan bo'lsak, bizda Hyundai'da hozirgi o'sha eng oxirgi modeli Elantra, Sonata va Tucson, Santa Fe. Shu 4 ta modeli O'zbekistonda ommalashgan, shularda zapchastlariga ehtiyoj bor bizda. Original zapchast bo'ladimi yoki analog zapchast bo'ladimi, ikkala variantni ham ko'rib chiqishga tayyormiz.
Okay, on Hyundai models, Elantra, Sonata, Tucson, and Santa Fe is so popular in Uzbekistan. We're ready to buy parts for them, even it's spare parts or it's fake parts. I mean, not original parts. We're ready to discuss and get a supplier for them.
Eng asosiy masala Chevroletga urg'u qaratamiz, sababi O'zbekistonda asosan avtomobil bozoridagi vehicle fleet, ya'ni avtomobilni parki 90% ga yaqini mana shu rasmda ko'rib turilgan modellardan iborat.
So 90% of our market consists of these GM models. You can see them on the picture. We have like very huge demand for them too. You know, this is our first demand, and we expect we can get some other parts for them from India.
Hindistonda Chevrolet ayrim modellari hozirgacha ishlab chiqarilishidan xabarim bor. Faqat bizda to'liq ma'lumot yo'q bu haqda. Yana bitta narsa bor, ya'ni interchangeable parts degan tushuncha bor. Uni o'sha ishlab chiqaruvchilar o'zlari yaxshi biladi. Qaysidir modelga chiqaradigan narsa boshqa modelga ham tushishi mumkin. Bu narsa Hindistonda ishlab chiqariladigan ehtiyot qism zapchast katta ehtimol bilan bizda chiqariladigan mashinalarga ham to'g'ri kelishi mumkin. Bu narsani endi o'sha narsani o'zidan chiqaradigan mahsulot turidan kelib chiqib, kimda shu yo'nalish bo'yicha taklif bo'lsa yoki variant bo'lsa, o'sha narsani o'tirib dalnishi muhokama qilamiz.
As I know, we know there are some models produced in India, and there are like certain parts, like suitable parts for many models of GM cars. If anybody has offer on that subject, we're ready talk and discuss about like working together.
Umumiy qilib aytganda 3 milliontadan oshiq, 3 millionga yaqin shu именно shu rasmda turgan mashinalarda avtomobil parki bor hozir. Bu umumiysi. Ya'ni odatda tez ketadigan zapchastlar bo'ladi. Filtr, moy, kalotka, boshqa deganda, ya'ni doimiy ravishda almashtiriladigan. Shunaqa narsalarga ancha katta miqdorda ehtiyojimiz bor.
Okay, there are like high demand for the oil filters, such as like regular changeable things on the cars. We have like huge need demand on those parts.
Qisqacha hozirgi vaziyatimiz asosiy yetkazmoqchi bo'lgan gaplarimiz shundan iborat edi. Ya'ni qisqacha so'ramoqchi bo'lgan narsamiz shu, avtomobillarga original ehtiyot qismlar, non-genuine, original bo'lmagan ehtiyot qismlar, avtomobil aksessuarlari, accessories va shu yo'nalishda bo'ladigan bo'lsa, taklifni ko'rib chiqamiz. Ko'rib chiqib, qaysi taklif bizni bozorga to'g'ri kelsa, bizning ehtiyojimizga to'g'ri kelsa va albatta narx masalasini gaplashamiz. Ya'ni taklif qilinayotgan mahsulotni narxidan kelib chiqib, nasib qilsa, keyingi hamkorlik masalasini muhokama qilishga biz o'zimiz tomonidan tayyormiz.
So generally that was it on our end, and we have like we mentioned like huge demand on genuine and non-genuine parts of the models we listed above, and we're ready to work with any producer or wholesaler from India. Of course, it depends on the price. If it suits us, it suits our criteria, we're ready to work with them. And we're ready to get any offers, suggestions, any questions from you, from participants, we meant.
Hozircha qisqacha so'ramoqchi bo'lganimiz, taklif qilmoqchi bo'lgan ma'lumotlarimiz shundan iborat edi. Rahmat
So
hammaga.
yeah, that was basically it, and thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Ma'lumotni shu jinoyat janoblar orqali kontakt boshqa bilan bog'lanishi mumkin.
Like contact information, any contacting with us, you can get through Mr. Winaya.
I will share my contact number and email ID on chat, message chat. I will share my mobile number and on group.
Okay.
So anybody is having any question, you can ask the questions. You can also ask in Hindi. I will convert into English or directly contact them. Anybody, or even you can also ask in Marathi, no problem. I will convert. Anybody is having any questions? Yes, Sudarshan ji, I will allow you to talk. Just send me the message. I will. What will be the payment process? Okay. Do you want to? Anand ji has asked where the producer. Anand ji asked what will be the payment process?
Nima pul umuman oplata masalasi qanaqa bo'ladi deb so'rashyapti. Pul masalasi.
Bu taklif qilinayotgan mahsulot turiga, ya'ni bozor holatiga va narxiga bog'liq. Bizda ikki xil xaridorlarimiz bor. Ayrim xaridorlarimiz bilan, ya'ni katta summada ishlaymiz. Advanced TT beramiz, ya'ni oldindan to'lov qilamiz, chunki mahsulotga bizga berayotgan narxi juda ham raqobatbardosh narx beradi. Ayrimlarida narx pastroq beradi, lekin to'lovida yoki vaqtida anaqa qilib beradi. Lekin qisqa qilib aytganda, beriladigan mahsulotning narxiga va kачествосiga qarab oldindan to'lov qilishga tayyormiz.
Okay, so it depends on the product's price and quantity. And we have some vendors, we pay them in advance, and some vendors we pay them later on, like postpaid. You know, it depends on the parts, like urgency for us.
Okay. Ankit, do you want to ask the questions, please? You can ask the
Yes,
question.
am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Yes, great. So I was just wondering, I think Vithal sir has also asked the same question. One, what are the opportunities for sheet metal stamping parts? And two, I would just like to invite your entire team for a visit at my office. And maybe when we are sitting face to face, maybe we can explore what are the other opportunities which we can bring in. Because I believe that today's entire presentation was very brief, and I'm pretty sure that you would be needing other parts as well where we can help productively.
Xullas, birinchi savolini aniq logistika masalasida berdi. Bu qanaqa yo'li qo'yiladi deb, buni hozir Vinay sohibdan so'raymiz. Ikkinchi masala, hozir bu yerda nima uchrashuv juda ham qisqa bo'lyapti. Biz sizlarni ofisga taklif qilamiz. Yuz-yuz uchrashib, o'sha yerda ko'proq masalalarni muhokama qila olamiz. O'ylaymanki, meni yaxshi takliflarim bor deyapti.
Albatta, bu chunki hozir sababi qisqa qilganimizning sababi odamlar birinchidan bilsin, bizga nima kerak, ya'ni yo'nalish to'g'ri keladi. Misol uchun deylik, misol sifatida aytaman, Ford yoki Mitsubishi yoki Toyotaga narsa chiqaryapti. Bunda bizda ehtiyoj yo'q. Ya'ni ma'no yo'q darsi gaplashishimizdan. Ikkinchi masalada albatta boshda ham aytdim, balki esimdan chiqib qolgandir. Mahsulot turidan kelib chiqib, biz shu keyingi haftaga kim bilan uchrashamiz, kim bilan gaplashamiz, maqsadimiz ham shu hozir. Ya'ni B2B qilishimiz kerak joyida. Biz maqsad ham shu.
Okay, I lost the name of the questioner who was asked. So CEO says, yeah, our goal also the same, you know, we want to just give you like brief presentation about our company and our aim, like going to India, and we definitely want to discuss further actions. If you have any suggestions, offers, we're ready to meet face to face and do B2B business. About logistics, like Mr. Vinayak wants help us organize all logistics process from India to Uzbekistan, to Tashkent.
Okay. So what is the somebody asked what is the potential for engine oil? Somebody is a manufacturing of engine oil and grease. So do you buy the engine oil and grease? Grease and engine oil.
Engine oil deyaptimi shoyat?
Yeah,
Well,
you
yes.
saying engine oil? Sorry, like we just misunderstood. You
Yeah,
saying engine oil or engine?
engine oil and grease. I have
Engine.
engine
Yeah,
oil.
sorry about that. Nima motor masla bilan motori yog'i deyapti.
Tushundim. Bu juda ham keng tema, ya'ni bizga yo'nalishlarimiz bor. Yo'nalishlarda boshida ham aytdim, avtomobilga aloqador bu ehtiyot qismlar, ya'ni zapchast, body parts, suspension parts, exterior interior parts. Bundan tashqari yog' yo'nalishi o'sha transaxle oil, engine oil, akkumulyator, avtopokreshka, tires, etc. Ya'ni yo'nalish bo'yicha bizda qiziqish bor. Ya'ni boshida ham aytdik, avtomobilga aloqador hamma narsani sotamiz bu yerda. Nimaiki aloqasi bo'lsa, o'sha narsalar bizni sotib yuboring. Albatta, moy bu ключевой, ya'ni bizda nima deydi, eng bir muhim bo'lgan yo'nalishlardan bittasi, ya'ni katta pul aylanadi bunda.
So engine oil, of course, interested us. We, like we said, we do business like anything related to automobile. So anything. So on oil, engine oil, it depends on the price and other things. So we're ready to take their offers.
Gauri ma'am, do you want to ask question? Gauri ma'am, Kisan, I'm giving you the access to talk. Kisan, there are some part manufacturers. They want to ask you the questions. Just a minute. I'm giving access.
Okay.
You can ask the questions. Meanwhile, I'm giving access to Kisan. Kisan, please, you can ask the questions.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Kishan.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Kishan.
Any requirement for liner fluid, piston ring?
Talk slowly. Your voice is breaking.
Is there any requirement for liner fluid, piston rings, engine valve?
Was really bad connection, didn't get it.
Hello. Can
Hello?
I audible to you? Is it audible?
Yeah, audible. You can put it. You can put it in by chat. I will read it. Just put it by chat.
Okay, I have already put it.
Okay, please resend it. Resend it.
Okay.
I will read it. Then, is there any requirement for powder metallurgy component like synchron hub, engine pulleys, and sprocket? Powder metallurgy component? I think no.
No, like he's saying powder.
Metallurgy component. You require car spares part, right?
Yes, car spare parts.
Sudarshanji, here they required car spares part. They are into car after sales service, so they require car spares part. Currently, they are sourcing from South Korea, Dubai, and Russia. So they want to develop the parts in India. Hello, I am creative metabolist problem. We manufacture quick release coupling used in hydraulic application used to connect. There are components are used in trucks and pickup vehicles. Are there any requirement for these components? Trucks and pickup components are required? No, right?
No.
We can
Trucks
trucks. Just a minute, I will read it. Quick coupling used in hydraulic application used to connect and disconnect. There are components used in trucks and pickup vehicles. Quick coupling used in hydraulic application.
Xullas, mashinalar elektr chasti bor-ku. O'shani ulab ana qiladigan qanaqadir buni приложениеsi bor ekan. O'shani aytyapti. O'shanaqa kerakmi deb.
Приложениеni nimasi?
Mana hozir nimani mashina elektriklar shug'ullanadi-yu, anaqa diagnostikasi bilan mashinani. Shunaqa matosi bor ekan, shunaqa mato kerakmi sizlarga, shunaqa kerak bo'ladimi deb yozyapti.
Mr. Vinaya, could you explain again what the questioner wants?
I will explain again. Just a minute. He's into coupling used in hydraulic application used to connect and disconnect. Their components are used in trucks. Hydraulic application, coupling used in hydraulic applications.
For trucks or passenger cars?
Yeah, trucks.
No, for nowadays, we are just interested in light duty and passenger cars.
Okay. Second one is we can supply all kinds of bushings. They are used in Mahindra cars for cam over shaft extensive, but bushings are required in all cars. So would you be their requirement for this bushing?
Yeah, bushing, we use bushings, yeah.
Yeah. Kanchanji, what I will do, I am having a contact numbers of all. Either I will send you mail to all, or I'll create a one group so that we can reply you on the spot. I will create a one group so you can join it, right? I will create a WhatsApp group so it will be very easy to communicate with all.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, good idea.
So that I will do.
Bahrom, tushundingmi?
Unchalik tushunmadim oxiri. Chunki
Xullas,
men savollarni ham o'qib o'tiribman-da.
ha, WhatsAppda bitta guruh qilar ekanda, mana shu kelgan qatnashchilar bilan, ha, mana shu gruppaga qo'shar ekan, shu gruppada so'rar ekan, primo to'g'ridan-to'g'ri aloqa qilaverasanlar shu gruppada deyapti. Hozir mana qilib savollarni yetkazib bera olmay qiylanyapti-yu o'zi ham. Shunga shu gruppa tashkillashtirib shuni to'g'ri qilib qo'ymoqchi.
Yeah. Bo'ladi, yaxshi.
I will create a new group so that it will be very easy to. Kishan has asked the questions. Any requirement for liner, sleeves, piston rings, engine wall?
Ehtiyoj bormi? Linerlarga yana anavi nimani motorni yog'ini so'rashyapti. Bir xil narsalar, to'g'risi men nimaligini tushunmayapman.
Yo'q, bu motorni yog'i bizga kerak bo'ladi, faqat bizda hozir asosan 4 ta 5 ta motor yog'lari bilan hamkorlik qilamiz ofitsialniy. Bularni aytib ham o'tishim mumkin.
Aytib o'tishim.
General Motorsda o'zini Genuine moyi, GMda o'zini moyi, Castrol, Liquimoli, Shell anaqa. O'sha hozir men eng ko'p sotadiganimiz shu. Castrol, Liquimoli, Shell GMda o'zini moyi, Total bor. Total bor, Total.
Okay, it is required.
5 ta moy bilan hozir ofitsialniy ishlaymiz, biz hamkorlik qilamiz.
Nomlardan tushundim men bilishimcha. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Vinak.
Just a minute. I have created the group. I am sending the link to all on chat so that they can join the group and they can ask the questions, right? They can ask the questions.
Ular savolni yozib qo'yadi, savolni tagiga nima narsa chiqaradi, nimasi bor. Yozib qoldirsin, biz ko'rib chiqamizda, bizga aloqador joy bo'lsa, reply qilib turib o'sha odamni o'ziga yozamiz grupdan o'zida.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Winak, can you ask from the group members you just created when they send the questions?
I have created a WhatsApp group. Please do join. Let them join. You do not need to join. Let them join. So I will be the coordination point for you.
Okay. And can we just announce the participants when they send the questions? Please, could they add their, business sphere, what they produce, what they sell, what they can provide? Can they just send the offers also?
Yeah. Paris has asked, can you need PDC and plastic automotive components and molds? I think molds are not required, right? They require finished products. Right. Paris, they don't require molds. Sudhir asked, it could have been better if the parts photos could have been displayed as their requirement with early volume. Yes, we are having a list of that, so we will put it on the WhatsApp group. So my request is, please join the WhatsApp groups. I will share all requirements with you. Right?
Yes. That's good idea. That's easy way to contact.
It will be easy. Connects. I am again resending the WhatsApp group. Please do join that WhatsApp group. Then I will send you the all requirements with you, and I will be the coordination point from Uzbekistan on behalf of Uzbekistan company.
hozir gruppaga hamma bizni talablarimiz bor-ku, bunga tashlab bergan. O'shalarni qo'shar ekanda, gruppaga qo'yib qo'yar ekan. O'sha yerdan kim o'zi yo'nalishini topib turib bizga chiqar ekan. Mana ular men mana narsani bera olaman deb o'zlari yozishar ekan.
Okay.
Vishal has asked the questions. We are automobile machining parts. Do you have any specific requirements? Please share drawings with us. Yes, Vishal, we want to develop some car spares parts in India. So we require you, please do join the WhatsApp group so that we will be able to respond you.
Right.
If there any questions, anybody wants to directly talk with them, please raise your virtual hands, or you can put it in the chat box, or you can personally, you can put it so I can respond. I can directly connect with them. So Subrat asked, I can cast iron and dictatable iron manufacturing from Ramakrishna Foundry. We manufacture suspension parts, hubs and drums. If any suitable parts, please share drawings. There are some manufacturer here, Bahro and Sean. They are into they are a foundry, so they can develop the part as per our drawing requirements.
Wow, that's good then. Xullas, Bahrom u yerda bitta ishlab chiqaruvchi bor ekanda, sen talabingga qarab ishlab chiqarib bera oladi ekan. Shuni aytyapti. Agar mobodosiga bu narsa kerak bo'lsa, ana u non anaqa bor-ku, tipa tepasi bor, o'shani chiqarib bera oladi ekan.
I am also access to Chandra. Just a minute. Chandrakanji, do you want to ask a question? You can ask directly to him. Chandrakanji, you can ask the questions. Sir, Chandrakanji, you can ask the questions. You can unmute yourself and you can ask. We have given one sample of that Jogo samples. You are using Gojo. So he's the manufacturer is here right now. So have you taken the taste of this, that trial of this sample? I have given you during the visit of my Uzbekistan.
Uni ishlatib ko'rdik va aytgan narsasini shoyat qo'l yuvadigan bitta gel bergan edi, maxsus anaqa. Videosini boshqasini olib turib, natijasini tashab qo'yaman nimaga? Vinayakni o'ziga.
Okay, so
Bolalarni servisda qoldirganman bu narsani.
Ha, tushundim. So he used the thing you gave like for washing hands, right?
Yes,
Like
yes.
yes. And he already tested with at the locations, and he's gonna send the video of that process.
No, video emas, natijasini yaxshi bo'ladi deb turib, dars narx-navo boshqasini ko'ramiz yoki bo'ladi yo bo'lmaydi degan narsani natijasini aytib qo'yamiz.
Okay, so we're definitely gonna give you results. We're gonna let you know what we're gonna do. If we want buy that, we're gonna ask price list.
Yes, definitely. I will give the prices. No problem.
Okay, thank you then.
Sure.
Thanks.
You can join the group, Chandrakant sir. Then you can convey the pricing to them.
Yes. But for that, I will be requiring pack size and quantity and all other things. So that I can give the best price.
Okay, you're saying it depends on the quantity, the price you can give, right?
Right. Sure. Definitely, yeah.
Oladigan ob'yomingga qarab narx bera oladi ekan. Ob'yomda taxminiy bo'lsa ham aytsang berishar ekan.
Okay.
I have written a mail to Mr. Bahram also. Did you receive it, sir? Regarding hand wash gel.
Yeah, actually, he's the one who received it from Mr. Vinayak, and he gave his employees to test, to use that, and get with the results to him.
Okay, but did you get the feedback from your workers, from your employees? Did you get the feedback?
Okay, give me a second. Sen o'zing bir nima qildingmi? Ishlaringdan bildingmi? Qanaqa deyapti natijani? Hozircha deyapti.
Men qoldirdim hozir, ish bilan bo'lib xabaring bor. Safarga ketdim, o'zi endi qaytib keldim. Berib ketganman, shunaqa test boshqa qilinglar, natijasini aytamiz deb. Hozir aniqlashtirib, suhbatimizdan keyin aniqlashtirib, natijasini aytib qo'yaman.
Mr. Chandrakat, he was on business trip. He just came yesterday or the day before yesterday.
Right.
He's gonna get results from the employees and let Mr. Vinayak know about it.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Niranjan asking, we are specialized in deep draw parts, heat shields, and exhaust system components. Can we get drawings model? Yes, you join the WhatsApp group. We will share today itself. We'll share all the required specs.
No. Regarding drawings, it's bu shoyat hozir drawingni ber deyapti, mana bular pipe chiqaradi ekan, o'sha glушитель chiqaradi ekan, exhaust pipesda. Drawing degan narsasi bu zavodda anaqasi asosida chiqariladigan narsa bo'ladi. Drawing zavodda bo'ladi. Biz ishlab chiqaruvchi emasmiz. Biz optim sotuvchi, xizmat ko'rsatuvchimiz. Shuning uchun drawing odatda ishlab chiqaruvchida bo'ladi, bizda bo'lmaydi. Bizga bunaqa dostуп yo'q, shuning uchun drawing bera olmaymiz.
Okay, CEO says we cannot provide drawings because we are not the producers. We just do wholesale and do service for the cars. So in order to get the drawings, they have to contact with the producer.
Lekin zavod bizga bermaydi bunaqanisi. Bu siz saqlanadigan ma'lumot hisoblanadi.
Okay, we don't have access to get the drawings from the factory, but we can share with the codes of the parts, and when they Google it, they're gonna get the images of the parts, and they can understand what kind of stuff we're looking for.
Yo'q, bu yerda yo'q. Rasmda ham emas, shoyat biroz noto'g'ri ketib qoldi. Har bitta detalda OEM, ya'ni OEM nomeri bo'ladi, OEM katalog nomeri. O'sha OEM katalog nomeri orqali o'zi o'sha agar shu sohani ishlab chiqaruvchisi bo'lsa, OEM katalogdan nima narsa so'ralayotganini o'zlari biladi. Ya'ni biz zapros berganda OEM katalog nomeri bilan beramiz zaprosni, odatda request berganimizda.
Usually in this business, in auto parts business, like producers and wholesalers communicate by their OEM catalog code. This is a unique code. And if anybody in this business, they can understand just with the code. They don't need any image, any explanation, just the codes. So,
but you, if required, we can send you the sample also. Sample. Suppose they want to know the. You are not giving the drawings. At least, can we give them a samples?
The sample is possible, yes.
So they can if there is a good volume, they can develop on the basis of that sample products.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Anil Kumarji, do you want to ask any question? Anil Kumarji or Dineshji, you can ask the questions. I have given you the access. Yes.
Vinayji.
Good evening. Yes.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am at Com Engineering. We are supplying linkages to off-road vehicles, just like tractors, harvesters, and I'm supplying to John Deere, Devas, and Pune, as well as CNH India, Adigo Escorts, some linkages part in rod bending. I have a facility up to 25 mm bar bending in cold bar. Even also I have induction brazing, and I'm supplying brake pedal linkages, some linkages part to John Deere and CNH as well as Adigo Escort.
John Deere bilan CNH bo'ladigan bo'lsa, bu narsani bizning sotuvi yo'q. Biz John Deere bilan shug'ullanmaymiz. John Deere dealer hisoblanmaymiz O'zbekistonda. Shuning uchun agar John Deere narsasi bo'lsa, bu narsa vaqtga qarshi biz anaqamizda, ya'ni faoliyatimizda bu mahsulot yo'q. John Deere texnikasini sotmaymiz biz. Xizmat ham ko'rsatmaymiz.
Okay, so we don't have any dealership, or we don't have any activity with John Deere. So that's not our measure. That's not our question.
Vinayji.
Yes. What is there?
विनायकजी मला काही समजलं नाही कारण माझ्याकडे आवाजाचा थोडा प्रॉब्लेम येतो. माझ्याकडे आहे ना बेसिकली आपण लिंकेजेस वगैरे आणि जॉन डिअर सीएनएच वगैरे आपल्याकडे येऊन फायनल करतात कॉस्टिंग प्रोडक्शन आणि ते आपल्याला आपण सेकंड टायरला देतो तरी.
So will you please give me the please join the WhatsApp group, join करा आणि त्याच्यावरती पाठवा आपण.
Yes sir. Even also I am supplying bushes, towing pin to all these customers.
Okay, okay, no problem. Seema ma'am, I'm giving you the access to talk. Seema ma'am, just a
थोडा
minute.
डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय सर आवाजाचा. मी थोडं ट्रॅव्हलिंग मध्ये आणि पण मी व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला जॉईन झालोय तुमच्या आता ऑलरेडी.
Thank you. Thank you. Seema ma'am, I'm giving you the access to talk. Just a minute. We'll take a last question, then we'll share the next strategy. Seema ma'am, you can ask the questions.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I think you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, now can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can.
Yeah, we are actually making oil seals for John Deere, Caterpillar, and some brace parts, sheet metal part, deep draw parts. So we can make as per the drawing. The parts we make brackets also. Then some parts for Tata Picasso, for Cummins. So I would like to get the RFQs. If means because whatever we have developed may not be exactly the same part, may not be useful for them, but if they have large volumes or they have some parts to develop, we have that expertise. We have our own tool room and all. So oil seals are needed for the rubber and PTFE oil seals for the engine.
Oil seals they are asking for.
I understand. I understand that oil seals is also a needed part.
Yeah.
Have available in our warehouses. But the problem is, the Miss or Mrs. just have mentioned that they have a goods for Caterpillar, John Deere.
Yeah. That is for oil seals and Cummins oil seals.
I mean, I'm very sorry, ma'am, because we have mostly interested in passenger cars, spare parts for passenger cars, and Caterpillar and the John Deere, unfortunately,
they're
is
off
out
highway,
of our business. Out of our business, so
no,
we have
but
any kind of service cases.
Yeah, I just wanted to know if you have drawings and if you want to develop some sheet metal parts or brace part. We have furnaces. We have inert atmosphere, copper, nickel, SS brazing furnace. So if you have, you want the parts to get developed, we can develop also those parts if you have drawings or if you have samples.
I got your point. Okay, we will appreciate it. And maybe in future, because maybe we can broad business.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just a minute. So now how to go about that? We will discuss how to go about that. Now we have given the brief introductions. So we will get their, we'll get their product details here, or we'll put your requirement on the group. And what is your planning to coming to Pune? So schedule, so we can meet them.
So you asking our arrangement to Pune next week, right?
As we discussed, this is the primary level introductions of your company, and just primary level discussion we have done it. So now, what is your when is your planning to have products to offer? Okay, let me talk. Just YK. Just one person want to ask the questions. So then, yes, you can ask the questions.
Am I audible?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, actually, the thing is, I deal in Hyundai Chevrolet parts.
Please talk slowly. Actually, your voice is not audible.
I deal in Hyundai parts, passenger parts. Okay. I am already selling Hyundai parts in India, like for SN, I-20, Centro, wheel bolts, wheel nuts, suspension nut bolts, washers.
Okay.
I also deal in Chevrolet Tavera parts. Tavera was recently discontinued in India, but I still have parts for them. So basically, I deal in passenger vehicles only.
Okay.
Right? Car parts.
Okay. He's into. If I am repeating for them because your voice is He is into Hyundai, manufacturing some Hyundai spares parts. He has been already supplying to them. So definitely, I think there will be Mr. We are sending the requirements on WhatsApp group, so you can check it out, and accordingly you can start sending the. We are sending you the parts and their consumption per month consumption on WhatsApp group. After this,
just one more addition. Can I make?
your voice is not. Your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
But you talk slowly, or you can talk in Hindi. Suppose if you are comfortable in Hindi, I can convey to them.
I deal in wheel bolt, wheel nut, caliper kit.
Please, will you please send me by chat? Your voice is not.
Just I am writing it down.
Yeah, you can chat and I will read it and I will convey to them. Huh? Okay. Okay. Devji, do you have any questions?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, yes, Dev, it is clear.
So we are a foundry from North India, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
And we just, we are manufacturing SG iron and cast iron castings.
Okay.
Right now, we are, developing parts for e-rickshaw, electric rickshaw. We have not supplied to any automotive company as of now, but we are developing and we are trying to be a part of ACMA also, ACMA.
Okay.
So, is there any chance that an international company can give to a vendor from Uttar Pradesh, North India, which is trying to develop and trying to develop the infrastructure also and trying to be a part of automotive industry?
So to be honest, I didn't get the question. He's from North India. He's producing not after parts. He's producing some kind of other parts, and he wants what from us?
Yes, Dev. Will you please repeat?
So what I'm saying is that currently we are not supplying parts to automotive car manufacturers.
Okay.
Not the OEMs. We are currently supplying brake drums to e-rickshaw. So e-rickshaw is a electric three-wheeler vehicle which is used in North India or any part of India for public transportation. So we are not a supplier of any automotive industry, automobile industry, car manufacturer or any tractor company as of now. But we are trying to develop ourselves and our infrastructure. And if we given an opportunity, we can also try to develop the parts you require, because we are having a team of engineers and we are trying to develop the infrastructure. Right now, we were supplying to electric vehicle industry as also textile industry also. So textile industry, there are plant and machinery which are called loom, winder, tape lines. So we also supply castings to textile industry manufacturer also.
Okay. Okay. We will let you know.
Xullas, Bahrom anaqa ekan, bu hali skuterlar bo'ladi-yu, nima skuter emas, murabi. 3 g'ildirak. O'sha hali odam tashiydigan shunaqa narsalarga mahsulot ishlab chiqaradi.
I can also share the profile and website of my company on the group and as well as chat.
Okay.
Yeah,
No
please do.
problem.
Please do.
One person just now, YK, I don't know your full name. He is into wheel nuts and wheel bolts, caliper kits. I think wheel nuts and wheel bolts definitely you might be required. Wheel nuts and wheel bolts.
Shoyat, nimani hozir gap ko'payib ketar ekan. Taklifi bo'lsa, gruppaga tashlab qo'yishsin. O'shandan biz o'zi ko'rib turib, хотя бы tovarni nomidan gruppa ma'lum mahsulot turidan kelib chiqib turib, kerak bo'ladigan bo'lsa, biz o'zimiz o'sha jo'natgan odamni o'ziga yozib, откликнуться qilib turib, dalshi gaplashamiz. Agar o'tkazib olsak, hech narsa yozmasa, demak bu bizning mahsulot bo'lmaydi yoki bizga kerak bo'lmagan mahsulot bo'ladi. Menimcha shu to'g'riroq bo'ladi.
So Bahram is like supporting your idea, Mr. Winek. He's saying if anybody has any offer to us, please write to the group with the name of the parts and like little description. And if we just reply to that person, we're interested. If we just leave it like that, I mean, we didn't respond or didn't react anything, so we're not interested. Just, it's either way, you know, to get offers.
Yeah, no problem. And so next planning we will share on the WhatsApp group. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think, do you require any metal? Yeah. So what we will do, we will share the next hour schedule or how to go about it on WhatsApp group. So please join the WhatsApp group. I'm sending the link. Link is already there on chat. So is there any last set, Bahram or Sean, you want to share? So I can, yes, last part. Last thing you want to, if you want to share anything.
Hazır. You asking from us, right? Could you repeat the question? I thought you're talking to them.
We have conducted these sessions. You have got some inquiries, discussion. You discuss with the Indian manufacturers here. So how to go about it? Next steps? What will be that? And any last points you want to share? So I can express the gratitude and we close the sessions.
Hazır keyingi bularga hozirgi momentda savol bo'lsa beringlar deyapti. Bo'lmasam sekin okruglash qilib yopaveraylik masalani. Keyingi masalani qanaqa qilamiz deyapti. Nima qilaylik bu yoqiga tipa.
Biz hozir keyingi hafta shu payshanba juma atrofida 2 kunni rejalashtiryapmiz. Endi bu aniq bo'lgandan keyin aytamiz. No, hozircha oldindan rejamiz shunaqa. Payshanba juma Punani ziyorat qilmoqchimiz.
Okay, we're planning our trip to Pune next Thursday and Friday. So we're gonna like you said, we're gonna check the group, and if you're interested any offers of the group members, we're gonna contact them and we try to meet when we in Pune.
B2B встреча qilish.
We'll organize the session in generally MCCI campus. We'll take their permission well in advance. Either it will be in Bosri, it is near MIDC area. We will get we'll arrange it in. We will share the events locations.
Okay. Xullas, anavi buni nimani tashkillashtiraman deyotgandiyu. Ikkita joydan ruxsat olibdi, o'shani lokationlarni tasharkan. Tushundingmi?
Okay.
Gaplashamiz uni, yaxshi. Hozir nima qilgandan keyin ma'lumot yig'ib, o'sha borishimiz aniq bo'lganda aloqaga chiqib, dальнейший nimamizni kelishib olamiz. Nima qilish qilmasligimiz.
So thank you very much for all. Also thank you very much Sean, Bahram and Deepakji Karandikar, MCCI President, for giving your valuable time. Our next Deepak sir, do you want to share anything? Any last points?
No, I think that was a fantastic interaction, and I think when they come in personally, we will be able to help them far better than what we can over the web. But it was a good introduction.
So they are coming next week. I will discuss with you, and we will organize the event in Bosri MCCI area. We will share with the all details.
Yeah.
We will take the prior approval from you, your office, and, and whatever the requirement will complete it, and we will organize the sessions.
Yes, we'll do that.
Deepakji and all participants. So we'll share the next details. We will meet personally in Pune, and we will share the timing and locations of the event.
Yes.
So thank you very much, and looking forward for long-term association with Uzbekistan. We are also happy to interact with you all, and we like your approach. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Organizing this meeting.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.